Their blood sugar look at that.
Thank you all for listening tonight. Ryan Darden was here. And Sam Meckling. I hope that was a fun show, and we're returning with 5 shows a week. And it's going to be very funny and fun. And you're all going to love it. Sing along if you're at home. Well, if I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? 'Cause I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. And if I stayed here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, motherfuckers. When this bird you cannot change. Whoa, 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 whoa. When this bird you cannot change. When this bird you cannot change. Kyle's a fact. Don't steal my clothes. Bye bye, Kyle. It was a sweet love. Yeah, right. And I know that you are a piece of shit. But I must be traveling on now, motherfucker. Because if I don't, then I'm just gonna spit in your face. If I don't, I'm gonna spit in your face. If I don't, I'm gonna spit in your face. 'Cause Lord fucking knows that I won't change. Lord, I won't change. Won't you die anymore, yeah. Yeah. Well, that was a fun first show back, huh? Thank you guys so much for listening. We'll see you tomorrow. God, that sounds so fun. Saying we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.